What if you could make $100 per day just by doing simple tasks? Will you be interested? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make money online fast by completing simple tasks. You don't have to do much of the work. All you have to do is complete simple tasks, and boom, that's it. You will get paid. Okay, so guys, I want you to stay with me right here on this channel as I walk you through the step-by-step method on how you can do this. So in case you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash the like button. Please do it for me now. And also, don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's 100% free. Click the subscribe button right now. Then, if you've done that, let's hop right into the video. Okay, now this is it. This website pays you just by completing simple tasks. Okay, how can you make money off of this? Now, as you can see, if you are already on the internet, surely you can really make money online. Now, let's read what they've got for us. Now, it's always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search or categorize data for us. In other words, you simply get paid just by creating text, by correcting text, by participating in surveys, and by searching the web, and by categorizing data. Okay, now how does this work? You can sign up as a worker for free of charge. You can work independently. Your schedule is flexible, which means that you can work any particular time of the day that you wish to work. And as you can see, they said that is a computer and mobile device with an internet connection, guys. So you only need a mobile phone or a computer to make money with this website. So you decide when and how much you want to work as a freelancer. Okay, now what type of jobs are there inside this particular website? So what are the things you are expected to do on those websites? So it all depends on you. As I have already told you before, what you only have to do is choose the category that you want to work in. Okay, now here you can get a brief overview of the various job types that are already available on this particular website. The number one here is text creation. You create informative text, product descriptions, and articles about a given topic. It is very, very simple. Okay, all you have to do is create informative text. For instance, you create text on how to lose weight. All right, so that's very, very simple. Okay, you can go to the web and source that out. That's a bonus tip. Okay, now another thing you can do is categorize the data of website. So basically, website will be submitted here. All you have to do is read through the particular website, and you just have to separate them according to their category. Another thing you can do here is copy editing. Now, copy editors check corrected text with regard to content, style, and the exact implementation of the job instruction. Okay, actually, you will be given a job instruction, and that's exactly what you need to do to begin to make money with this particular website. Okay, now copy editors, all you have to do is you don't need to write, you don't need to create text. All you have to do is you have to correct the things that are already written by others. All right, now proofreading. I believe you already know what proofreading is. Proofreaders assesses the text created with regard the spelling, grammar, style, expression, and the implementation of the job instructions. So if you are good in English language, this will be awesome for you, because all you have to do is to put the words in place. Now, another thing you can do is research. You search for data, addresses of companies, restaurants, and other localities on the web. This is very simple, meaning you get paid just by searching the web. And another thing you can do, you can get paid just by completing surveys. Share your opinion by participating in various types of surveys. And guys, you can do a lot of things: mystery visit, app testing, and photo capturing, audio recordings, and video recordings. There are lots of things that you can learn, you can do in this particular website to generate passive income. Now, as you can see, these are testimonials. So I want you, all you have to do, how do you join this particular website? All you have to do, just click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, and you'll be prompted to create a free account. Now once you are prompted to create a free account, all you have to do is put in your details, and once you put in your details, and boom, you are good to go. Then you are ready to make some free paper money. Now make sure that you put in your payment details in order for you to get paid in this particular website. So for you to be paid, you need to put in your payment details on the website so that you can easily be paid. All right, so follow through step by step. First, as you can see, you choose the country of residence, and you just have to choose the country that you are in, and that's it, you are good to go. All right, so it's very simple. With this method, you can be able to generate passive income online as a complete beginner. Okay, so there's nothing much you can do on this website other than what I've already told you, but you can go ahead and check those out. And make sure, remember, this is called Click Worker. That's the name of the website. So go ahead and check those out, and until I see you on my next video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button so that you receive updates whenever I upload valuable videos just like this. Peace.